Hello, wonderful, amazing people. I hope you guys are doing great. So I'm going to talk to you today about something known as an abused green card, or VAWA. So VAWA is an application that could be filed by certain categories of people who have been through extreme cruelty and battery. And for example, if you are married to, or you were married to a US citizen or a green card holder, and they subjected you to extreme cruelty and battery, then you can file an application known as a VAWA application, and you can get a green card through the process. Okay, so for example, a lot of abuse victims, sometimes do not have external corroborating evidence or any type of corroborating evidence. By this I mean that, so if you're living with your husband who's a US citizen, you're a foreign national, you're a foreigner from another country, and he used to beat you up blue until your eye was swollen, until your mouth got punctured and was as big as your cheek, you never called the police. Okay, so after he beat you up, you didn't call the police because you were worried, you were scared, you just wasn't sure, you weren't sure what to do. You also did not visit the hospital, perhaps because you don't have insurance, or you were just scared and ashamed. A lot of abuse victims, some abuse victims do not have all these external things to show that truly this person is a monster and they subjected them to cruelty. If you're trying to file an abuse green card case and you do not have these type of external corroborating evidence, it does not mean that you're not going to have a winning case. No, you can file a VAWA green card application, and when it hands down, simply through your declaration. And here's one trick: your declaration has to have as much detail as possible. You want the adjudicator who's going to be reviewing your application to feel, see, smell, and hear what you saw, smell. So you want the adjudicator to experience the extreme cruelty and the battery that you went through, in the hands of your abusive spouse, who's a US citizen or green card holder. So do not spare details. This is not the time to be diplomatic. You have to be descriptive, use words, how you felt, what their abuse did to you, the impact on you, your mental health, physical health, your just everything, how it's impacted you. So giving as much detail as possible is the key to winning a lot of immigration applications, which are self-petitions, and such as the VAWA, where you have to prove abuse and the fact that the abuse was extremely cruel and the person subjected you to battery. Okay, again, the standard through which VAWA applications are adjudicated is any credible evidence. And so if you're giving a lot of detail, you tend to be more credible than somebody who is being evasive and elusive. I understand that sometimes, the abuse victims do not want to relive the experience they have, the experience they've gone through. But this is important to do, because remember that no one was there when you were being abused, especially if you are not able to produce corroborating evidence. So you are your star witness, right? So you want to make sure you take the stand and you blow the adjudicator away. You need to make sure that they truly are transposed within the moment you experience the abuse and can touch and understand what you actually went through. Okay, all the best, and follow me for more.